Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Train Your English Brain. I'm Emma. Today, I want to ask you something. When was the last time you spoke English completely alone, with nobody else listening? Maybe never, right? Most learners only speak English when someone forces them to, in class, in a test, or in a real conversation with another person. But there's a powerful tool that many learners never try. It's called self-talk. Self-talk simply means speaking to yourself out loud in English when you're alone. It might sound strange at first, maybe even a little silly, but today I will show you why this simple habit can dramatically improve your speaking skills faster than you might expect. The rule is simple. Talk to yourself in English, out loud, for just 5 minutes every day. Let me explain why this matters so much. When you speak with another person, you often feel pressure. You worry about mistakes. You worry about their reaction. This pressure can make your mind freeze, even if you actually know the words you need. But when you speak alone, there's no pressure at all. Nobody's judging you. Nobody's waiting for a perfect answer. This relaxed feeling helps your brain access English more easily, more naturally. Think about actors preparing for a role. Before filming an important scene, many actors practice their lines alone, again and again, out loud in an empty room. They're not performing for anyone yet. They're simply training their mouth and mind to feel comfortable with the words. You can use this exact same technique for English every single day. Let me tell you a story. This is a story about a real student, and I will call him Leo. Leo understood a lot of English. He could read well, and he could listen well too. But every time he needed to speak, his mind went blank. Even simple sentences felt difficult to produce because he never actually practiced producing them. He only practiced understanding them. Leo's teacher suggested something unusual. She said, "Leo, for the next month, every morning, describe your own actions out loud in English while you get ready for the day." Leo felt confused at first. Talk to himself while brushing his teeth? It felt strange, almost embarrassing, even though nobody could hear him. But Leo tried it anyway. Every morning, he said simple sentences out loud. I am brushing my teeth. I am making coffee. I am putting on my shoes. At first, it felt awkward, but after a week, something changed. These simple sentences started coming out naturally, without effort. His mouth was getting real practice, real movement, real sound every single day. After a month, Leo noticed something amazing. In real conversations, sentences came out much easier. His mind wasn't blank anymore because he had already practiced producing English sentences alone every day. Self-talk had quietly trained his speaking muscles without any pressure or fear at all. This is the real power of self-talk. It's private practice, completely free from judgment, completely free from fear. And because there's no pressure, your brain relaxes, and English flows more naturally than you might expect. Now, let's practice some self-talk together, right now. I will describe simple, everyday actions. You repeat them after me, imagining you are doing these actions yourself right now. Let's begin. I am sitting down. Say it with me. I am sitting down. Now, I am listening to this lesson. Say it with me. I am listening to this lesson. Now, I am learning English. Say it with me. I am learning English. Wonderful. Let's continue with a few more everyday actions, things you might do throughout your normal day. I am drinking water. Say it with me. I am drinking water. I am opening the door. Say it with me. I am opening the door.
I am walking to the kitchen. Say it with me. I am walking to the kitchen. Excellent. Now, let's try describing feelings too, not just actions. This helps you express yourself more fully during self-talk practice.
I feel happy today. Say it with me. I feel happy today. I feel a little tired. Say it with me. I feel a little tired. I am excited to practice English. Say it with me. I am excited to practice English. Do you notice something? These sentences are simple, but they are also personal. They describe your real actions, your real feelings, right now. This personal connection makes self-talk especially powerful, much more powerful than repeating random sentences from a textbook. Let's practice one more type of self-talk, making small plans out loud. Later, I will make dinner. Say it with me. Later, I will make dinner. Tomorrow, I will practice English again. Say it with me. Tomorrow, I will practice English again. Tonight, I will relax and watch a show. Say it with me. Tonight, I will relax and watch a show. Wonderful work. Here is a simple and very practical exercise for you. For the next 5 minutes, right now or later today, describe everything you do, out loud in English. It doesn't need to be perfect. It doesn't need to be interesting. Just describe your simple actions, one after another, like a quiet narrator of your own life. Take a moment now and try just a little bit. Look around you and describe 3 things you're doing or seeing right now, out loud in English. Remember this important idea. Speaking English is a physical skill, just like playing an instrument or riding a bicycle. And physical skills need real practice, real repetition, real movement, not just understanding in your head. Self-talk gives you this practice every single day, completely free, completely private. Many learners wait for real conversations to practice speaking, but real conversations don't happen every day for everyone. Self-talk solves this problem beautifully. You can practice speaking anytime, anywhere, even if you live alone, even if nobody around you speaks English. Your own voice becomes your daily practice partner. So, here is your homework for today. Choose one part of your daily routine, maybe getting ready in the morning, or cooking dinner, or walking somewhere. During this activity, describe what you're doing out loud in simple English sentences. Just 5 minutes, every day, starting today. I know it might feel a little strange at first, talking to yourself out loud, but this small, private habit builds real speaking confidence, quietly and steadily, without any pressure or fear at all. Give yourself permission to sound a little silly. This is exactly how real progress happens. So, my friend, please promise me one thing today. Find 5 minutes, sometime today, and simply talk to yourself in English, describing your own actions and feelings. This small habit, done daily, will make a real difference in how naturally you speak. Thank you so much for practicing together with me today. If this lesson helped you, please come back tomorrow for a new lesson. And remember, talk to yourself, practice daily, and your speaking confidence will grow stronger every single day. See you in the next episode, my friend. Keep practicing, be kind to yourself, and I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.